Hi, my name is Rick. I am from eSupplier. In this quick presentation, I'll show you how to track your air freight and sea cargo tracking numbers at eSupplier. So the first step is you get a username and password. You can log in at eSupplier. So we are logging as a buyer, and we already have a username and password. So I'm just entering the login credentials, and here we come at the tracking dashboard. At the tracking dashboard, you can track sea containers as well as air cargo. So here you can see there are 3 active tracking events which are going on. 2 are for sea freight and 1 is for air cargo. If you would like to track any of your shipments, you can click on Add Tracking button, which is on my right-hand side. A dialog box will open. You have to select what you're willing to track, container tracking or air cargo tracking. So if you're willing to track container, select container, enter the container number. You can also tag a comfortable tracking internal ID name, could be a customer name or a supplier name. So let's put Walmart. And what is the tracking number about? It's 40-foot container, 20-foot container. You can define it. So it's easy for you to identify. Say 40-foot container. When you click on Add button, the system will start tracking the container in real time. So I'm not adding right now, just to show you another event on how to track Air Waybill. Instead of container tracking, we will select air cargo tracking, and you have to submit an Air Waybill, which I'm entering into, and maybe you can tag it based on your need, say Smith Corporation. And this is not a container, so we don't have to select anything. And when you click on Add, the system will take the Air Waybill and start tracking your air cargo in real time. So let's close this dialog box because we already have this 3 tracking going on. The system updates all the data in real time. You can click on the track button and view where your shipment exactly is. Here in the status dialog box, it shows that the mode is in transit, delivered, or if it is delayed, it will be showing as a delayed with how many days if it's a sea cargo. So you can get a full information of all the shipments from a single dashboard rather than managing Excel sheet separately. So let's take, for example, open up one of the tracking event. I click on the track button. So we'll get a real-time tracking of the container. Here you can see the container was to move from Savannah in Georgia, United States to Germany. And here is the complete tracking details with Google Map where the exact ship is right now. It also captures which shipping lines are being used. So you can also see that vessel number for your reference. Same way, if you would like to see the Air Waybill tracking, click on the track button again, and you will be able to see where your cargo is. If it's a direct shipment by a single airline, it will be a single flight. If it's a transshipment, you can see the multiple flight numbers, and you can see where your material is. So it's a very simple and easy to use tool. It allows companies to manage all the shipments from a single dashboard and also share details with multiple teams. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask eSupplier anytime. Thank you very much.